Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Kantoma. I'm from Greatest Card Design Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me, okay? These are the list of softwares which we have covered on our YouTube channel, okay? Um, and then we teach all of these packages on our Telegram platform where we'll guide you through the process of design. We'll give you all of these softwares. We'll guide you on how to install and then crack it on your system, okay? And then we take you through the process of design using each of these softwares for 40 days, okay? Which is actually very much okay for you to actually have a mastery in these softwares, okay? um, Today I'll be taking you through the Google Earth, okay? I'll be showing you how to take your image from Google Earth now into your either your AutoCAD or your Civil 3D, okay? And then I'll be taking you through some the basic things you need to know about your Google Earth, okay? Right now let's jump right into it. Firstly, I'm taking you to you can use any of your browser. Just type your Google Earth, okay? Once you type your Google Earth and then allow it to load Google Earth, okay? If I search, click on this, okay, still loading, allow it to load, okay. I'll just click on this. Still loading. Okay, great. If you already love what you're seeing, why not give it a thumbs up? Just like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. You see a red button down below this video. Just look for that red button. You see written subscribe. Just click on that button and you have subscribed already. It's actually 100% free. You're not paying a dime for it, okay? You can just click on Google Earth Pro on desktop, okay? That's if you want to use it on your desktop, and you click on download, okay, and it will just download for you, okay? As easy as that, okay? Right now I'm taking you through the Google Earth itself. You can see this is how it will actually display once you finish downloading it and installing it on your system, okay? As easy as that, okay? Right now you can see here, let me just take you through. This is your file. You have your open, you have your save, okay? Once we are done with our project, I'm going to save what we are going to do today as an image, okay? You can send to email view, okay? You can even print, you can import, okay, and all that. Now this is for, if you go down to your view, you can see for your full screen, once you type the shortcut key F11, you can view it fully, okay? Let's just drop right into this. You can see I have taken this whole of this off by clicking on this, okay? It has gone off. This is for you are showing the sidebar, okay? I can show my sidebar, okay? This ad placement, I'm going to guide you through that process. It's just making a mark at any points you have actually chosen or you want to come back to at any time. You can come back to that point, okay? Right now I'm going to be searching through a place that I'm familiar with in Kaduna State, okay? Go to ABS Stadium. That's Ahmadu Bello Stadium. Ahmadu Bello Stadium, okay? So I'll just click on search, okay? You can see it will search through that. Wow, great. So I already have a mark here, this marker here that I placed. I'm going to delete it. Okay, and then I will take you through the process all over. Yes, delete. Okay, now if you are familiar with Ahmadu Bello Stadium in Kaduna State, the roundabout close to that stadium. Okay,
from here through this is, I think this is Castina Road. You go, okay, you can see there with Kaduna Metropoli. Okay, it's very much well. Okay, I'm going to be placing my station here, other one at about around the police, you have the police college around here, so this is the roundabout here. Okay, let's place our marker here. Let's place this marker here. Now this add polygon. If I want to add a polygon, maybe I just want to mark the whole area here, for example. You can see I can just mark that, and then I'll show you how it works. This is for add a place mark. Okay, this is a place mark. I'm going to name this station 1. Now take note of the coordinate. Okay, so I'm going to leave this around here. Okay, this is my station 1. This is my notepad. Now please, before then, let me take you through something here. I just want to take you through this tool. If you go to tools, you go to your option, you can see this is more like a settings, where you can see here is in meters, kilometers, yes, and it's actually in universal transverse marker tool. Okay, you can see compress here, medium. I'm going to leave these settings as it is like this, but if yours is actually not like this, you can change your settings to this way, or you make it to what you are actually looking for. Okay, so I'm actually going to apply, and then I'll click on OK. Okay, if I come back to marker here, my place mark, click it here, and I'll drop it here. Okay, my notepad. Okay, I'm going to name this station 1. Okay, I'm going to zoom. Let me go to property, then You can move. Let me
come to
okay, if I come to reset here, I can tilt. You can see, just to confirm using it at the position I want. Okay, I just tilt it. Okay, okay, okay.
you can see this is the second roundabout here. Station 2.
So just going to copy this.
Okay, come to my station 1. Let me check my properties. Copying this coordinates, because I'm actually going to be using it later in this video.
Okay, great. Okay, so you can see I have my station 1 and 2. Okay, okay, the next thing here, okay,
Now you see, this is your add part. I can add a part. You know, this is actually easy. Just click on OK. For example, if I add a part here, sorry, it has a style, it has a view, it has an altitude measurement and all that. Okay, now I'm going to save these as an image. If I'm just going to allow it to remain. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. Okay, now you can see Ahmadu Bello Stadium, Bena White Hotel and all that. This are some of the features that are actually around this stadium. Okay, when you check this legend at the top right corner of my screen. Okay, here I'll go to map option. I just want I don't really need
these so I can turn them off. But you see, once I click, you can see they are coming up. Okay, you can see it's telling me so I'm going to turn all of that off. Okay, I don't need them for now. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Come to my resolution, I'm going to make it maximum. Okay, then I'll save this image. Okay, I'm going to name it new image. Then I'm going to save it in my desktop. So you gotta allow it to finish loading. Down below the description of this video, you'll find the link to my YouTube channel is actually there. Visit the channel to actually keep yourself busy. A lot of interesting tutorials are actually there, most especially for civil engineers, for architects, for electrical engineers and mechanical engineers. They are very much available on that channel. Okay, if you're a surveyor as well, okay, there are a lot of interesting packages for surveyors too as well, all available on that YouTube channel. Just visit the channel to actually keep yourself busy. Okay, enjoy yourself. Okay, a lot of things to learn, a lot of interesting things to learn. Okay, you can follow me on any of those social media platform. Okay, my username is actually there. You can DM me, my contact is actually there. You can even call me, okay, for more information. Okay, make sure you drop a comment, okay, down below. Okay, drop a comment, okay, and show me love and subscribe to this channel, because it's actually 100% subscribe on YouTube. Click on the bell to always get a notification whenever I post videos, because I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, to encourage as many people that want to have a deeper insight, okay, of design. Okay, sorry, this is actually taking a whole lot of our time. Don't know why it's loading this way. Okay, but before it's finished loading, let's jump right into our AutoCAD. Okay, this is our AutoCAD. This is 2018. Now all you need to do is just click on this application menu here. Okay, once you click, go to drawing utilities. Okay, go to unit. Okay, I'm going to leave the precision the way it is. All of this is actually in meters, so I'm going to I am just cross-checking this.
Is because you know, the unit of measurement we used in our Google Earth should actually correspond with the measurement we have here in our AutoCAD. Okay, you can actually use it on AutoCAD or use it on Civil 3D. It works perfectly. Okay, but most especially Civil 3D, more especially maybe when you want to achieve maybe like a road design and all that. Okay, so I'm actually going to click on OK. So let's check if our
Wow, this is taking too much of our time. Let me save it again. Okay, it's taking too much of our time. To attach,
okay, don't worry, I already have an existing picture of that, so I'll just go to attach, go to latest photo. I already have another image of it. Okay, so I'm going to use that instead of using this that is taking the whole of our time. So I'm going to click on open. Okay, I'll click on OK. Then I'll just drag and drop it anywhere. Okay, good. Now we have our image on our AutoCAD. Right now I'm going to draw a cycle. Type C, enter. Please, not minding the radius of the cycle, just draw a cycle and I drop. Okay, and then I'll just highlight this cycle. So I think this system is very much loaded, so I'm going to close some programs. Okay, so I'll click on, type on Ctrl+1. So you can see here we now have our properties. So my notepad here, I'm going to drag this here. Okay, for my station 1. Okay, type it on X. Alright, good. So I'm going to zoom, extend, or zoom, extend. Whoa. This is very much far from. Okay, I'm going to move this. Okay, I just bring it closer to my cycle here, but mind you, my cycle is still maintaining its coordinates, so I didn't tamper with it. I just moved the image. Okay, so be careful with that, please. Okay, so I'm going to copy this cycle. And then I'll just highlight it, Ctrl+1. Okay, brings out the properties. So I'll just type in the coordinate of this.
Okay, it's okay. So I'm going to close this. Okay, great. So now the next thing I'm going to do right now is to type on align. So I'm going to use my align tool. So I'm going to select the object. This is the first point. I'll align it with this. This is the second point. I'm going to align it with this, and then alright, great. Now I have them at its right coordinates, so I'm going to erase my cycle. Okay, okay, I can take the measurement of these from my station 1 to station 2 to know what is the length. Okay, let me just draw a polyline across these from here now to, okay, it's not perfectly straight, but you can just have an overview of how like what the distance from the station 1 to the station 2 is. Okay, if I just take my dimension, if I click from the first polyline begin to this point, okay, you can see we have 1.8 kilometer. Okay, the distance from that first point to the second point is 1.8 kilometer, but let's use on dimension we have okay, let's dimension based on align. Okay, there will be a slight change in the distance. So it's 1.88 kilometer. Okay, so this is actually a distance from the first station to the second station. So this is just giving you an idea of what the distance is from the first station to the second station that we marked. Okay, another thing you can do is you can see like the space here we have. I can just check what is the area from of what is this area without even visiting the site. Okay, like you can just be at your house, in your home, and just have an idea of what you are going to encounter on site. Okay, it actually helps you to actually prepare more. Okay, or you can even use it for proposal. Okay, now let's check this area here. Maybe I just want to know what is this land here. Okay, I can just use my polyline just like we did earlier, and then I will trace. You know, this is just giving you an idea of, so if I click here, and then close. Good. Now the next thing I'll do is just type on area 2 and then select the first corner next corner. This is the third corner. Okay. Now this is the area, as you can see. This is the area, and this is the parameter. You can see down below my screen. Are you seeing it? That is the area. Okay, I can retype that for you to see again. I'll just trace around my polyline, and then type enter. Okay, you can see the area down below here. Now if you love what you're seeing, why not give it a thumbs up? Subscribe to this channel, is actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, to encourage as many that want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, this is just few things you can actually achieve from getting your Google image to your AutoCAD environment. There are a whole lot of things you can actually do with it. Okay, you can do a whole lot of great things with it. Okay, more especially when you want to come up maybe with your road design, or your drainage design, or your or even your culvert design. Okay, or you want to come up with bridge, or you want to actually come up with a canal design and all that. Okay, even without you visiting the site, okay, you can just be in your comfort zone or in your office, and then just have a general picture of whatever is actually going on there on the site. Okay, make sure that you stay blessed and make sure you stay safe. Okay.